Alright, and we're back, guys. So we got this nice new short block just partially assembled. Got the Killer Bee oil pan put on. Got the oil filter. That's always good to have. And this oil pump. Took it apart, cleaned it up, got the rotors all cleaned up inside. And I measured it. I found out that it was a 12 millimeter JDM oil pump, so that's pretty cool. We'll be reusing that. And I got the heads all cleaned up. So as you can see, we got this nice, beautiful surface on here. Took it to the machine shop, had them work their magic. And then I pulled all the valves out, changed out the valve stem seals, made sure you're not going to have any leak issues. And I lapped all the valves, put them all back in. Nice new valve keepers. And those should be ready to go on the block now. So up next, we got our ARP head studs. They're ARP 2000s. And they're going to be going into our block. And then we get to install our nice new freshly built heads. So let's get started. Woo! Right, Brian?
Yeah, that's right. Let's do it.
Alright, so I just got this whole side put together. I spent a while swapping out cam buckets, doing some math, and making sure I had the correct valve clearances between the intake camshaft and the exhaust camshaft. As you can see, I got all my buckets here. Got a whole bunch of spares from doing all these freaking EJ engines all the time. Here's my math. And now this side's pretty much ready to go back together. All I got to do is put the valve cover on, and then I can start another side. Get this long block completed, hopefully. Alright, so I know it doesn't seem like it, because we just went from clip to clip, but it's actually been a couple weeks, I think, almost, since I've touched this engine last, mostly because I've been prioritizing customers' cars. I always got something in the shop that needs to be worked on and fixed, and it's just endless. So now we're back to the engine. I'm going to try and get this side all done. I already went through and did all of my valve clearance checks on this and swapped out my buckets and did some more math. So we'll get this done, and then the long block itself should be just about complete, and I can start putting more fun stuff on it. Boom! And now the long block is pretty much complete. At this point, now I'm just going to get all the timing components on the front of the engine, and then I think we'll just call it a day for this video. And then next we'll start putting all the fun stuff on. So definitely keep in touch, and we'll see you guys next time. Right, Brian?
That's right.